So if you guys have been trying to make money online, you've probably heard about websites like eBay and Amazon. And with eBay, people sell just about anything used or brand new. And then on Amazon, you have like Amazon FBA, and those are good. But one other website that you can use is Etsy. Now, when you talk about Etsy, the first thing that usually comes to mind is handcrafted stuff, right? So for example, if you go to Etsy right now, you'll see stuff like, a custom wallet, a custom knife, and just custom stuff that are handmade. And this is what Etsy is really famous for. So if you have like a really good talent for creating stuff or personalizing stuff, you can actually put them on Etsy, and this way you can make a lot of money. Now, the problem with this is maybe you don't know how to personalize this stuff, right? Or maybe you're not good with creating stuff with your hands yourself. But even if that's the case, you can still make money on Etsy, and that's what I'm gonna be talking about in this video. So be sure to stick around to the very end so you can learn how you can actually make money on Etsy without creating any products or creating any products with your hands yourself. And by using this method, you can make a lot of money on this website. Now, if you're new to the channel, my name is Eann, and on this channel, I talk about ways to make money, ways to save money, ways to invest your money. I talk about bank accounts, credit cards, just about everything that has to do with personal finance. So if you like topics like these and you like videos like these, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. I'll really appreciate it. It's 100% free, won't cost you anything. Also, be sure to subscribe with the notifications on. That way you never miss any of the future updates of when I post new videos just like this one. And also guys, if you ever want to talk to me one-on-one, you can message me on Instagram. The link is down below in the description. And with that said, let's jump into how you can use Etsy and you can make a lot of money here. So the first method of making money on Etsy is by creating stuff yourself. So you could create pretty much just about anything, right? So for example, someone is selling custom neon signs, and you can actually buy this for $30, and people will buy stuff like this for birthday parties or weddings or graduations, or just about any special occasions or events where they host people. Now, this is actually with a 40% discount. This was actually $50, and they're having a sale right now. You can also do like other personalized items. For example, this custom wood sign or this custom cutting board with, a personalized name on it or a family name. Also here we have personalized tumblers with lid and straw or reusable tumblers. So there's a bunch of stuff that you can do here. And if you can list these on Etsy, you can actually make a lot of money. Now, you may be saying, well, Eann, I don't have the skills to create a custom wood sign or a custom cutting board or to make custom neon signs or any of that stuff, right? So how am I gonna make money here? And here's how you can actually pull this off. It's actually really easy. Now, most of the sellers on Etsy in the beginning were creating like handcrafted stuff, but now most of the sellers that are on Etsy are just simply doing like a print on demand or some other fulfillment service for the products. So they're using some sort of fulfillment service to get these products out. So for example, one easy way that we can look at here, and you can do this with just about anything, but one easy way is by doing like custom t-shirts. So for example, you have these niche t-shirts, right? So here's a rainbow shirt. It's selling for $14.99. Here is a summer shirt selling for $16. It's actually on sale right now. The full price was $20, and you have a bunch of clothing. Now, depending on the niche, then this may sell for more or less because people will pay for like shirts if they like what's printed on it. So if it's like something cool that you came up with, then people will spend $20. They'll definitely spend that money for a t-shirt just because they like whatever is written on that shirt or just because it's cool, right? Now, similarly, you can do this with like beach towels or mugs or tumblers or keychains and other stuff that you can get from print-on-demand companies. So for example, we could go on like Printful, and Printful is just one print-on-demand service. There are like literally hundreds of them on the internet, right? So you can scan the web and you can choose whichever one you like the most or whichever one charges the least amount. But here, for example, you can create your own custom phone cases starting at $10.95. So you could have a personalized phone case for like the iPhone 13 Pro, and you could put someone's name on it or whatever they wanted, and the cost to you would be $10.95. And then you could flip it, you could sell it to them for like $20, right? And here you don't have to deal with any other logistics. You simply just get the order on Etsy. You take the money, you come over to like Printful, you fulfill the order, Printful ships it directly to them, and you pocket the difference. And that's pretty much what you're doing here, but you're doing this for just about any type of product. Now on Printful, you can do the same thing with beach towels starting at $24.95, right? With bags starting at $15.95. You can do posters or frames starting at $7. Mugs here or drinkware starting at $7.95, and t-shirts are starting at $9.95. And these are just a few of the products that they have on Printful. They have a lot of different products that you can grab and you can customize them on Printful, and then you can use this to fulfill your orders on Etsy. Now, the downside to this is that a lot of other people are currently doing this, and they're doing it a lot more on eBay, for example, right? So I don't think a lot of people have really caught onto Etsy in the sense of doing print on demand. And so if you're looking at getting into this, you should definitely try it on this platform. I think you have even more, or you may have even more success than you would on eBay, because you have a lot less competition on a website like Etsy. And this is how, without creating any products yourself, without using your hands to actually make anything, you can make some money today. Now, the cool thing about print on demand, for example, is if you use Printful, you can actually click on the product and they have a whole editor inside. So you can actually type what you want to. You can add the designs that you want. You can just create your own designs on the Printful platform. Or if you want, you could go to like Fiverr, for example, and you could pay like a professional designer like $5, $10, $15, $20 to create a professional design for you. And then you can just upload it here and sell it on Etsy. But again, what's cool about Etsy is that most of the people that shop on Etsy, they want custom stuff. So for example, you could go on Etsy and you could say, hey, you know what? I'm selling personalized reusable water bottles. So for example, this stainless steel water bottle here is $19.95. That's what it's gonna cost you, and they're going to ship it to your customer for you. So you could actually list it on Etsy and you could say, hey, you know what? I have this stainless steel water bottle and I'll customize it. I'll put whatever name or whatever message or whatever design you want on it. And for that, I'll charge you like $29.95, right? And if you check on Printful, for example, the recommended selling price is $28. So you make around $8 in profit. We can actually personalize this in any way you want. So similarly, you can just grab any product from Printful. You can put it on Etsy. You can list it as a customizable product or a personalizable product, and that way people will purchase it. They'll send you like a message or a name or something, and you simply just go to Printful, you add the name or the custom message, and then you ship it directly to them. After doing this, all you do is you pocket the profits, and that's how this works. It's really simple. Now, another really hot niche that I've seen online is custom jewelry or engravable jewelry. So for example, on Printful, you can find these necklaces or other forms of jewelry. And here, as you can see, you can buy them for like $17.95 or $19.95. It comes with free shipping. So this is the total cost to you. And guess what? You can personalize this stuff. You can actually put this on Etsy right now. It's gonna be like, hey, here is this engravable silver heart chain necklace. You can put whatever you want on it. I'll customize it for you. And you can actually charge someone like $40 or $50 for this, right? That way you pay $25 for it, you get free shipping, and you make $25 in profit. And you don't have to do any engraving yourself. You don't have to buy any expensive machinery. You don't have to get any expensive inventory. There's literally very little risk with this because you're not actually paying for anything up front. Also, selling on Etsy, or if you want to become a seller right now, you can do that for free. So there's not really any barriers to entry. So there's absolutely no barrier to entry. There's no risk or very little risk. You don't have to spend any money up front. So you can definitely try this right out, and the potential to make a lot of money is really great here. Now, if you try this and it works, you could definitely be making hundreds of dollars every single day by simply customizing this stuff online, having it drop shipped to your customers from Etsy. And this is how you can make money with Etsy. Now, comment below and let me know if you guys already use Etsy, or if you've ever used it before. Have you ever tried listing anything there? Was it like handmade stuff, or did you try the drop shipping method? And with that said, if you guys like videos like this, you can check out my playlist on how to make money. I have over 100 videos on different methods of making money. Some are online methods, some are offline. So be sure to check that out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel so you never miss any of the updates of when I post new videos. And if you guys ever want to talk to me one-on-one, you can message me on Instagram. The link is down below in the description. I post on there regularly, so that's a way to connect with me as well. And once again, all the best, and I'll see you guys very soon in the next one.